Hi, and welcome back. In our previous videos, we've been talking about creating social bookmarks. Most recently, we went over a social marketer and how you can use it to speed up the page submission process to social bookmarking sites. In this video, we're going to cover another great tool you can use, which is IM Automator. So what is IM Automator? Well, let's show you by taking you to the site. IM Automator, click, and here we are. This is IM Automator. What is IM Automator? Well, it basically puts your link building on autopilot. It's a free social bookmarking tool, and it couldn't be easier to use. Just put in the URL you like bookmarked, and IM Automator will do the rest. It'll grab the title, the tags, and the description. It's basically a submit it and forget it type of tool. Now, as cheesy as that might sound, it's actually true, and it works really well. The only thing that you have to do with IM Automator is just sign up. So you just click this free button here, and then just fill out this information. So if you haven't already, go ahead and pause the video and take a minute to fill out this information here, and then click continue. Alright, now that you're signed in, now all you have to do is go ahead and click the tools button here at the top, and then bookmark submitter, submit new. Alright, this is the infamous tool that is going to save you so much time and effort. This tool right here, all it needs is just a URL to get started. So go ahead and click right here and go and select one of the pages that has good content and information on your site that you'd like to link. In our case, we're going to be taking this page right here from the X Games again. I'm just going to copy the URL and go back to the site, and then we're going to paste it right here in the URL. And now we're just going to say click to extract the title, description, and tags from this URL. So this is perfect. If you've already made the work and the effort into putting in a description and title tags and everything, this little tool is going to go out and grab that information for you. So once that's done, the other thing you're going to want to do is just check the URL is valid. So click that button, and yep, everything looks okay. So now what we're going to do is we're going to add some tags to this. So we're going to add X Games, Vert Skating, and Sean White. Now again, to take advantage of the social bookmarking tools, remember you want to try and make sure that you can include your keyword in the title, the description, and at least one time in the tags. So in this case, we're going to pretend that we're going to be ranking for X Games. So we've got it already here in the title. It's not here in the description. So we're just going to add in games right here, and then we've got it already tagged right there. Perfect. Now the next thing that we're going to do is simply select the category in which we want to have our article show up. So click here, simply scroll through and look through all the different category options that they have, and once you find the one that relates to your article, then go ahead and click that. Alright, now we've done that. Now this is the coolest part about this tool. It's one thing that a lot of the tools out there don't even have, and that's the way it does submissions. So this right here is select the number of days and the link should be spread over. It's got 1 day, 15 days, and 45 days. What does that mean? Well, go ahead and click the explanation button here. Alright, this first little section that they have up here at the top actually goes over SEO in general. It talks about how the search engines like to see growth and links coming to different sites. It also mentions that getting a lot of links is good, but having all those links show up immediately or like instantly one time or within the same time frame kind of is a little shock to the system for the search engines. They like to see things naturally, which is why they like to see link building done over time. So this tool, what it does is it spreads them out. It spreads them out over a particular day that you want to, or over 7 days. So not only does it do the different days, it will do it over multiple times. So this way your link is being submitted at random and it looks a lot more natural. Well, now the only downside, or if you can even consider it a downside about using this tool, is the amount of bookmarks that you can do per day. So to show you what I mean, just go ahead and click on the Pro version here, and we'll get this little graph. So for instance, the free version that we're using, it allows you to do 10 submissions a day, and each one of those submissions will be submitted to 15 different sites at random. So in total, you can get 150 different links a day. So this is really great. That's about all there is to IM Automator. A simple, effective, fast tool that you can use. The hardest thing that you're going to find about using this tool is simply the sign up process, which literally is going to take 2 minutes or less. Well, that's all for now. Practice using IM Automator with your site for social bookmarking tasks, and we'll see you next time.